He's dancing on Mary Had a Little Lamb. Huh?
Hi. Hi.
Good morning. Good morning. It's getting colder here, so I'm wearing half, but we made it near full in case he shouldn't feel cold. But even though below is a little open, but what to do?
It's the dog.
Dog, dog or
It's
dog?
the monkey.
Monkey.
तो यंगजे तो यहाँ पे बैठ के cows देख रहा है. यंगजे watches all these cartoons and उसका accent बिल्कुल अलग ही हो रहा है. हम बोलते हैं cow, मैं बोलती रहती हूँ cow, ये बोलेगा cow. Good morning, Ghanu.
Good morning.
So Ghanu, what is your schedule like today?
Schedule?
थोड़ा बताओ लोगों को कि भाई तुम क्या करते हो पूरे दिन में.
मैं chilling. Rather than chilling. इसलिए it's not very good. We look after him and some office work.
Yeah, light a chair. That's better.
So we are into trading and consultancy firm between Korean and Indian companies. So yeah, some export and import and other consultancy works are going on. So those yeah, we're handling. And also
We may I am not included by the way.
Huh?
I'm saying we may I am not included now at least. So I used to do business with Ghanu until Youngji was born और हमने सोचा था कि मैं उसके बाद भी करती रहूँगी. But then at some point of time I realized कि not possible. या तो मैं इसको देख लूँ या business कर लूँ.
So now we have our work businesses split it. So today, yeah. Usually I don't have any schedule as such. You know, I just work and look after him and do other household work and something together. So today somehow I had to go into this Zoom seminar. It's not seminar, but online thing as a mentor. Korean Trade, the public sector company called Kotra. So I've been mentoring with them for this is third year now. So today also for those those who are looking for the jobs in Korea and in India, like those university students.
Koreans by the way, not Indians.
Yeah, in Korea, those students who are studying like the Indian languages or Indian related subjects, and in India, those who are studying in Indian universities, those Korean students. So for them, they want me to give them some, like ideas and share some thoughts. What are the things they should be?
But I think that's it. बस अब बोर हो जाएंगे सब. But I'm getting bored. बाकी भी हो सकते हैं.
That's it.
Yeah, so that is Ghanu's schedule every day. बीच में काम करता रहता है. मतलब his two major jobs are his own business work and looking after Youngji. And looking after Youngji तो बीच में ऐसी प्रॉब्लम थी जो हम गुड़गांव में थे कि I had to push him out of the house. मतलब ये घर से ही नहीं जाता था ऑफिस. मतलब कभी 11 कभी 12 and I'm 11 is all right but अपना बिजनेस हम 11 बजे चले जाओ और आ जाओ थोड़ा सा लेट आ जाओ शाम को 7 बजे तक आ जाओ. बट इसको तो आई हैड टू रियली पुश हिम आउट ऑफ द हाउस कि भाई निकलो, यू कैन कम एंड प्ले विद हिम इन द इवनिंग ऑल्सो. और फिर कैसे तैसे जाता था. So guys, I know that we didn't elaborate on what we do professionally क्योंकि फिर नहीं तो बहुत बड़ा टॉपिक हो जाता. So I would just suggest that if you have more questions about, I know a lot of you wonder कि Ghanu इतना सारा time कैसे निकाल लेता है Youngji के साथ, or maybe you have questions about how we started a business, what it takes to start a business, and any other questions. I have no idea. मतलब अगर कोई और questions हैं तो please let us know. Please mention in the comment box below. Maybe we can do a Q&A later just specifically on this as to what we do professionally and how we manage our time with our toddler with the help of what we are doing professionally. So if you have any questions, please shoot us नीचे comment section में ask us, but on this video only, not anywhere else, because I'll come back over here, get all the questions, and फिर हम उसको अलग से answer कर देंगे आपके लिए. So guys, the weather was nice. So I thought आज बाहर खाया जाए. Weather तो क्या, weather तो आज को nice है, but I'm working out really today. So why not take advantage of the weather? आज सारे मैचिंग कपड़े पहने, ऊपर भी नीचे भी, and even my socks, and it's all coincidence.
It's our breakfast time and drinking Korean mixed coffee. Nice sandwiches, peanut butter, strawberry jam, one side each, and dipping cheese.
Here we go.
Careful in there. Are you okay? Oi.
Here we go, baby Jack.
अच्छा, what is that, young Jay?
मेरे पैसे में कम.
So when is it a productive day for me? 10 बजे से लेकर अभी 12 o'clock हो गया है. I've been looking after him. He's not bored. He's playing, and he's not been cranky so far. I have to stretch it till 1 o'clock because 1 o'clock पे गौन की meeting खत्म हो जाएगी, and then maybe he'll sleep or we'll give him lunch. We'll see depending on what his mood is. But so far so good.
Dora needs to find the quickest way to
There
the
is mine.
library so she can return her books. Well, I know the quickest way to the library. First, you cross the troll bridge.
Watching
Then, climb
Dora
over
the
the
Explorer.
big rock.
Midgram.
And that's how you get to
He's dancing on Mary Had a Little Lamb. Huh? Fun fact, it's gross though, which is कि हम इंडियंस के मुझे तो आज तक यही पता था कि सबकी वैक्स, ear wax is that wet wax. Oh, when I met Gonu, then I got to know कि गोनू की तो ड्राई है. मतलब इनको तो ईयरबड्स से कोई फ़ायदा ही नहीं है. मतलब इट्स ऑफ नो यूज़ फॉर देम रियली. जस्ट बाहर का क्लीन कर लो, बट दे हैव दिस ड्राई वैक्स विच आई यूजुअली हैव टू यूज़ अ प्लकर टू टेक आउट फ्रॉम ईयर्स, हिज ईयर्स. And he was very shocked the first time he got to know that we have wet wax. मतलब मुझे पता ही नहीं था. Both of us didn't know at all. पर अब पता चल रहा है कि genetically we are so different. But Young Jay has wet wax. तो वो चीज़ उसकी Indians पे गई है. Guys, thanks a lot for watching. I know a lot of you are enjoying our videos and that's what keeps us going. नहीं तो it's not that easy. But I do enjoy it. Actually, I do enjoy making these videos and editing these videos. So I just wanted to say, if you're really enjoying our videos, please share it with your family and friends. And those who have not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. It would mean a lot to us. Thank you so much and good night. Bye-bye.